Want to fix the authentication is required error in Google Play Store? This usually happens because of account sync problems, corrupted Play Store data, password changes, or a temporary glitch. No need to worry. Here's an easy way to solve this issue quickly and hassle-free. Before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Toggle Wi-Fi/mobile data off and on from quick settings. Restart your Wi-Fi router if you're on Wi-Fi. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network-specific. Open a web browser and try loading a website to confirm your internet is working. Solution 1. Re-authenticate your Google account. This is the most direct fix for the authentication is required error. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on your Google account. You might see a warning or an option like Account Sync Error or Sign In Error. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to re-enter your Google account password. Enter your password and follow any on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once successfully authenticated, open the Play Store and try downloading/updating apps again. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play services. Corrupted data in the Play Store app itself or its core services can often cause authentication issues. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings, go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the Apps list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then clear all data. Restart your phone after clearing both. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Reopen the Play Store and check if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Remove and re-add Google account. If re-authenticating directly doesn't work, completely removing and re-adding your Google account can often resolve deeper synchronization problems. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts or Users and Accounts. Tap on your Google account, tap Remove Account and confirm. Restart your phone, go back to Settings, then again tap on Accounts. Now tap Add Account, then sign in with your Google account again. Once re-added, open the Play Store and see if the authentication error persists. That's all you need to do. Trying any of these steps should fix the authentication is required error in Google Play Store. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.